So, quick tutorial about how to use your Hadaka NÜVO Skin Microcrystallized Elastic Fiber Eye Strips. First you have your pouch and your serum. Inside your pouch you have two eye strips. These eye strips are protected with the white film. First, you're gonna apply your NUVO Skin Serum under your eyes. That is the area that is to be covered with your patch. You need to moisten all your area that you're gonna cover with the patch. Go all the way to your temples and all your cheek. Right away, you're gonna apply your patch. Be gentle. You have to remove the white film. And this area that is exposed to your face, that's the area that is gonna be applied onto your skin. So it's a delicate patch. You just fill it up and apply right under your lashes. You see, it will cover all the way to cover your fine lines and crow's feet. This patch will inhibit the muscle movement of your face while you sleep. If you see that there's any part that the patch didn't adhere to your skin, you just grab more serum and help it to adhere to your skin. And voila, that's it. You apply the second patch on your other eye and you go to sleep. The next day, what you're gonna do, once you wake up, you're just gonna remove your patch and you will see a difference on your skin. You will see your dark under eyes diminish, your fine lines diminish, your crow's feet diminish, and even your pores diminish. NÜVO Skin.